Who the f touched this car, bro? In fit. Why am I wet? Oh, that sounded like it broke something. Look, it's still reverse mode. Whoa, what the f is that? What the f? This car does my f***ing head in. I bet that was great. Alright, that's gorgeous, isn't it? Yeah, that'll do. I need to put this in my car because I can't do anything else right now. I've got nothing else to do and I'm bored. So we're gonna go put a radio in my car and hope that it's not stuck in reverse mode because all radios do that in my car for some reason. Look, it's still reverse mode. I gotta find my key. Just get that. Back on two. Wait, should I turn it off if I'm gonna be putting wires in it? Ah, f it. Why is my phone ringing? Hello? Hello? That is, yeah. I do, yeah, I've got my J4, my telescopic. Alright, thank you. Gosh darn it. So, pulling it out with the old, that's okay. Pull this out. Oh, that sounded like it broke something. This is a struggle, you know. Ah, bosh, we've got the old bitch out. Check that shit out. I'm gonna get the new bitch in. I think this Amazon delivery guy's here for me. I think he's going over to my house. Oh, buddy. This is how that conversation went. So dude had 4 Amazon parcels, yeah? He gave me 3 of them, and he was like, you can't have the 4th. I was like, what? Why? Because I've only got to drop you 3. Yeah, but it's got a name on it, like, can I just take it in? Like, I need it. Nah, can't do that. Buddy, you're at my house, it literally says my fucking address, like, what? Nah. Okay. Anyway, let's put this car's radio in, see how this goes. Gosh. Gully, I don't know. Oh, bosh, right, we're in. Fuck, I'm gonna need something to wedge it. I need a wedge. Ah, I've got a sock, that'll do. Bro, this car is such a fucking dinger, it's great. Little socky in the hole. Little socky in the hole. We should have a working fucking thingy. Right. In fit. Why am I wet? Put it in the hole. Ah! Huzzah! Look! It's still reverse mode! Look! It's stuck. Right. There is something with this car. Because any fucking radio I put in, it's just stuck in reverse mode. Bro, I can't take it out of gear because I don't currently have a handbrake that works. Fuck it. Right, it's not in reverse. Shall I start? Hang on. She sounds dead. Look, what is this shit? There's nothing I can press. It's just stuck in reverse mode. This is big problem. Right, let's do some research. Bro, it's 2003, why would I have a backup camera? I don't have a backup camera, G. Why the fuck would I have a reverse mode? Okay, we're gonna fucking touch some wires. We're becoming we're becoming an electrician. What the fuck are you chatting shit? Look, now it's working. Now she works. That's not turning off. That doesn't turn off. Ah, okay. Why is it stuck on reverse mode, bro? This car does my fucking head in. Why are you broken? It's gonna be these wires that have been chewed and mangled, man. This is my wiring setup right now. Who the fuck touched this car, bro? Right, it looks like someone just chewed a bunch of wires together, look. Right, it's gonna be this harness here. Reverse gear signal input. So it's this one. The one that's funnily enough been cut. So this whole harness has got to go because whoever's touched this has obviously loved it really intensely to get it to the condition that it's in now.
2 days later.
Is that gonna give me a reverse noise? Reversing still. Oh, why? Oh, it's my old school teacher. She waves at me every now and then. It's well cute. It's unplugged. We've got the mass shit harness out. It's been unplugged. So now does that have any influence on it? I don't know, because it's not plugged in now, right? Reversing. Oh my god, this is so infuriating. Where's that going to? Oh my god, it's like I'm sticking my hand in a fucking New York prostitute, man. It's not good. It's wet down there. This seems like the place that shouldn't be wet. Is there any way I can take this bitty out? It's well annoying. I'm going to assume not, because this whole trim needs to come off. I'm just pulling. Mind my bogulance on this situation. Why is there more wires? Oh no, stop it! Why is there more? Why is there more? Why is there a aux port? What the f? I've just found something in my car, and it's not to do with me or anyone I've ever met in my life. I've just found a bank card. Yeah. What the f***ing goodies we got in here then? What the fuck is that? Whoa, what the fuck is that? What the fuck? I've just touched something. I need to wash my hand now. What the fuck? I don't want to be in here. What have I just found? I am probably overreacting, yeah? But what have I just found in my motor? I swear to God, this is not staged. This ain't a bit, yeah? What have I just found in my f***ing motor? What is that? What is that? I don't want to touch it. I need to go and get a glove. Hang on. Let's go in the tool chest of defeat and grab a glove. We'll just grab a glove. Yeah, this is making the video. Oh no. Oh, I don't want to go near it. Ugh, what the f? What is that? Bro, I'm not even staging this. Because if I was, yeah, I'd put like a dildo or something down there. I don't know what that is. I don't want to touch it. My hands are going to get so oily from this. I don't care. I need to find out what this is not right. What the f is that? What the f is that? I don't want to open it and it'd be like fentanyl or something, bro. What is this? Whoa. What the fuck? It's a baton. I have been driving around with a okay. So I've been driving around with a couple-year prison sentence in my car. This is bad. I've found a bank card and so far a baton. It has a case as well. This is really bad. Oh dear. I kind of don't want to keep looking because like I don't want to have to take my car into like the police, especially with the state it's in. We're gonna have to keep looking, aren't we? Right, I'm gonna have to do some research to figure out how to get this centre console off. Look at my hand after that. So it's nice to know I've been driving around with a weapon in my car this entire time. I actually can't believe that there's a baton in my car. I don't really want to touch it, but that looks like it might have been. Oh my god. I need to put that away. That's actually criminal. I don't want to know what else I've been driving around with this. Oh my god, I'm struggling to talk. Sick. Reeky sheds. So yeah, I found a weapon in my car. It's not a bad little device to be fair, especially if you're trying to go to prison. Oh my god. Yeah, so long story short, I drove 800 miles with an offensive weapon in my car. That's pretty cool, I can't lie. Now, you already know I'm about to strip the door cards because I ain't trying to find a 9mm somewhere. Like, I mean, every single part of that motor has now got to be stripped and thoroughly searched because, well, this is 5 minutes of looking. Do you know what I mean? But no, we didn't even get the radio done. It's still sat in reverse. I suppose that's for another day, as this video needs to be up Saturday and I'm running out of time. This is the second episode of Bodge City and so far we've gone through 2 clutches and found an offensive weapon in the vehicle. How much more can we find with this car? Like, I'm genuinely worried. I don't want to turn the fucking heaters on and poof, cocaine in my face. Do you know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, fucking I hit a deer the other day as well. That's fucking jokes. It was already dead though, I won't lie. I didn't even mean to, I was just driving, I didn't fucking see it and poof, Before I knew it, I got fucking deer head stuck in my grill, mate. Shit was peak. Anyway, see you next time.